We have another health topic for you because a new report from a forensic lab called Smart DNA is revealing that apparently 1 in 4 Nigerian men who did paternity testing in the last year were not the biological fathers of the children being tested. So the lab says, quote, paternity fraud is real. This report itself covers July 2024 to 2025, June 2025. And while it showed that 25% of men tested are not the fathers of the children in question, it is a slight drop from the 27% that was recorded last year. The report also found that firstborn children or the eldest children were the most affected. And, you know, a lot of people are talking about these findings online. One popular content creator is even telling parents to ask for DNA testing before leaving the hospital. So the report also highlights the fact that most of the testing does happen in Lagos, but it is gradually spreading to other states as well. But all of this made me think about the plot of that novel, The Secret Lives of Baba Segi's Wives, by Lola Shoneyi. And, you know, so how are you reacting to this?
A family is based on trust between the husband and wife. If it is now being reported by Smart DNA, which is a Lagos-based DNA testing body, that last year, 27% of the results that they got indicated that men were not the biological father of their children. And also this year, they say the figure between July 2024 and July 2025, the figure has now gone down to 25%. Are we supposed to be celebrating the reduction by 2%? The answer is no, because this is about family life. This is about trust. This is about relationship. I hope this is not an advertisement for the kind of business that Smart DNA provides so as to get their customers. However, from the report that we have seen, they are saying that most of these tests are as a result of maybe families that want to relocate abroad. And you know, some embassies will require DNA proof that the members of your family that you are traveling with are actually your blood relations. And in that their report, they also pointed out that about 64% of firstborns, mainly boys, are not the children of the man that they say who is their father. And again, it looks like we should not jump from this Lagos-based Smart DNA's report and generalize that this is the situation in the whole of Nigeria.
Yes, please. Because
this is done in Lagos.
Yes.
Now, in the breakdown, they said that the most affected areas of Lagos, Lekki,
surprise, surprise.
Yaba, Aja, Ikorodu, Ikeja. This is what the report is saying. So now, there could be an element of stigma here. Because if you are married and you have a family living in any of these areas, just look at you and say,
any of those areas.
I hope you have gone to do DNA testing to be sure that these children are your children. But in any case, this is part of the social problems that we have. But to strengthen the family, I don't think we should have these problems about paternity, about identity. There's this popular saying that it's a woman that knows who the father of the child is, which is why perhaps in some other societies, they are matrilineal. Because of that one, you can be very sure. Yeah. But of what use is a wife that is unfaithful, that will go and bring a bastard, into another man's house? But Yorubas have an answer for that. They say that if you see a house that is peaceful, it is because the bastard in that house has not yet grown up. Because the moment that bastard grows up, it will show in the behavior that this is an imported member of the family, not an authentic member of the family.
Okay.
Surulere. Okay, I didn't Surulere on the list. They didn't include Surulere. But you never know. Maybe future research will include Surulere and include other parts of Lagos.
Oh my gosh.